Nicely done ginger tea is ready. Ginger tea. आज बनाते हैं अदरक वाली चाय. 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Let the water and ginger boil. Water and ginger has boiled well for 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup milk and let it boil. Milk has boiled. Stir it for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix everything well. Cook with sugar for 1 minute. Now add 2 tablespoon tea leaves. Cook for 2 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, our ginger tea is ready. Let's strain the ginger tea. Let's serve the ginger tea.